Hello everyone，大家好，我是黄老师。I'm Miss Huang, and today we are introducing our learning outcomes and goals. Our focus today will be on practicing the Chinese pronunciation of syllables. And please send your voice when reading the learning material to this group for each meeting so we can help fix the pronunciation. 谢谢 Thank you.
朗读下列音节，注意声调的不同。
Read the syllables aloud and pay attention to the tones.
啊啊啊啊哦哦哦哦鹅一乙易乌五五物鱼鱼雨玉
Okay, let's repronounce the initial. Please repeat after me. Okay, the first table. 波 po 摸 fo 的 t呢 了 g k h g t c. The second table. The next table. K ch sh r. Okay, let's discuss the first table, the initial po. Can you differentiate the pronunciation B and P? When we pronounce B, it pronounced like P. We pronounce P, it's also pronounced as P, but with the air come out from our mouth. You can take a piece of paper and feel the air come out from your mouth. Okay, let's retry again. B and P. B. Po. Okay, P. Take your paper and feel the air come out from your mouth. Po. Po. Okay. D and T. D. T and T. T. G. G. K. K. J. G. Q. T. Okay, I give you example. For B. Po. A. Pa. Baba. Father. For P. Po. A. Pa. Pa. Afraid. For G. 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 Elder brother. For K. K. Thirsty. For J. Chicken. Chicken. G, it means chicken. And then Q. Seven. When we pronounce J and Q, like in Indonesian, we pronounce as G, but Q, we pronounce with the air come out from our mouth. Okay, now let's go to the next table. Okay, here. When we find H, like here. Yeah, we need to pull our tongue a bit further into the back of our mouth to pronounce these sounds properly. Like we pronounce ZH, we have to pull our tongue a bit further into the back of our mouth. Ker, 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 ker. In Indonesian language, it's like we pronounce ker like cerita. Ker. Okay, and how about ch? We pronounce same with we have to pull our tongue, but with the air come out from our mouth. Okay, let's retry. ZH and CH. ZH. Ker, 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 cerita. And CH. Ker, ker, ker. Okay, you can take your paper and then feel the air come out from your mouth when you pronounce CH. Ker, ker, ker. Okay, now SH. Ker, ker, and then R. R, R. Okay, I give you example. 知道知道知道我知道 I know 知道不知道 I don't know. And then next ch 吃饭 yeah eat. And then when we pronounce teacher 老师 and then R I give you example 热很热 it means very hot. Okay, let's we practice again with CH and C. Okay, what is the difference when we pronounce CH and C? Okay, look the picture. Like CH, we have to pull out our tongue a bit further into the back of our mouth. Yeah, like why? Because there is H there. And then when we pronounce C, there's air come out from our mouth. So CH. First, pull your tongue, and then you have to pronounce it with air come out from your mouth. Okay, let's retry CH. Cerita in Indonesian language when we pronounce cerita but with the air come out from our mouth and we have to pull our tongue. Okay, so let's we go to the C. We no need to pull our tongue, but we have to make sure that there is air come out from our mouth when we pronounce C. Okay, C. For example, 词典 dictionary. Okay, let's we practice. Okay, when we pronounce C and CH, we have to make sure that there is air come out from our mouth, and CH, we have to pull our tongue. So we see this the circle, the red one. Okay, the circle, if you find the letter with the red circle, so you have to make sure that you pronounce it with the air come out from your mouth. And with the blue rectangle, you have to pull your tongue a bit further into the back of your mouth. So if you find there's a circle and a rectangle, so you have to make sure that first there's air come out from your mouth, and then you have to make sure that you pull your tongue a bit further into the back of your mouth. Okay, let's practice from the first line. 波 po, mo, fo, te, te. The second line. Ne, le, ge, ke, he, ji, ti, si, re, ci, zi, si, ge, chi, shi. Okay, Okay, let's we sum up our lesson for today. Begin from B. 波啊爸爸爸 P. 坡啊怕怕 Okay, 爸爸 father. 怕 afraid. Next. 哥义弟弟弟 younger brother. And then next. 特爱太 very. 哥哥elder brother. Next. 可thirsty. 鸡 chicken. Next. 7 词典 Okay, there's air come out from our mouth. 词典 dictionary. 汉字 Okay, there's no air. 汉字 Chinese character. And then next. 知道 Okay, ZH, no air come out from our mouth, and we have to pull out our tongue. 知道 No, 我知道 I know, or 我知道了 Noted. And then next. CH. First, we have to make sure that there's air coming from our mouth, and then we have to pull out our tongue. 迟到 late. And next. 老师 teacher. And then 热 hot. Okay. Next. 请安静 It means be quiet. And next. 太安静 is too quiet. Okay, so for this, don't pronounce with Indonesian pronunciation. Okay, good luck and thank you very much.